आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं यहाँ पर कैसे इंट्रो मेरा यहाँ जंगल के बीच में, तो उसके लिए आप लोग को पूरा व्लॉग देखना पड़ेगा. एंड आई एम रियली सॉरी, आई एम लिटरली गेटिंग होल रेड एंड ऑल, बट सी द व्लॉग. I am very much excited because this is going to be my first trip after lockdown. And it's not actually a trip, it's going to be a small picnic, but and it's going to be my first travel vlog, so I'm very much excited. So this is my outfit of the day: cap, oversized t-shirt, bag and shoes, all you need for the trekking.
You put your trust in all that wealth. You measure all in what you own. You don't worry about your health, but you do fear being left alone. You may double your guards,
can see mountains. I'll show you. And this is Manasi. Wow, mountains!
I was always by your side, and it's time to set it straight. No more talk about your fast life. If you want it, then you have to wait. I see your every flaw.
So we have reached here in the village called Bilpudi, and from here we have to walk down, and we have to park our cars right like 2 or 2.5 kilometers away from the waterfall, and we have to take a road by walking. So yeah, let's see. Hello. Hi.
You cannot change. Oh no, you cannot change.
We climbed almost 1 kilometer, and now we have to
You can
climb
change
one
your
more
ways.
kilometer. So let's go hiking after a long time. So it's gonna be a really
A
tough.
secret well kept, but everyone knows. You try to keep it so still, but the wind blows. All the while the wind blows.
And we have finally reached the destination.
When you moved out, your mother said, if you give love, you get love in return. If you only knew you had
the experience of climbing mountain after years.
Very nice, but
Tiring, yeah, it was really tiring. मतलब काफ़ी टाइम के बाद कम से कम 1 साल तो हो गया कोई ट्रैकिंग कुछ नहीं किया. And after lockdown we are out and that also climbing and all, but it was really fun trip. And आपको रास्ते में मैं सब कुछ बताती हूँ कि how you can get over here and what is the name of this place. So this place is called Bilpuri. It's in the Dharampur district in near Valsad area. And we are going back and let's chit chat. So we were at the place called Bilpuri and you can come here. If you are coming from Mumbai side, you can come to the station Valsad and from there you can take a bus to Dharampur and you can come over here. But if you are coming by car, you can come directly to Dharampur district and it's very near from Dharampur. So and yeah, waterfall, like you have to climb the mountain about like 2 or 2.5 kilometers. So you have to park your cars right outside the walkway of waterfall start. So आप लोग को कार्स वहीं पे पार्क करके आना होगा. यहाँ पे कुछ खाने के लिए भी नहीं है तो आपको साथ में लेके कुछ आना पड़ेगा. There is no stalls or something like that. So आप लोग को साथ में ही खाना पानी सब कुछ लेके आना पड़ेगा. And yeah, cap is a must.
shoes is must.
Shoes and cap is must.
Shoes,
Yeah, because
not fashionable.
don't wear fancy clothes. Please come in comfortable clothes and please wear cap, sunglass and sports shoes because it's very necessary. Cap will protect you from the sunlight. You can see मतलब अभी तो सामने ही आ रहा है sun. So yeah, we are heading back. मम्मी तो आ ही नहीं पाए ऊपर. But me, Prachi and Papa came to see the waterfall and it was really nice.
अब हम लोग खाना खाने बहुत भूख लगी.
Now let's go and eat something. We are really tired now.
Yes.
Okay, bye. Meet my father. I will.
Hi. Bye.
ले चटनी आलू
What are we having? क्या खा रहे हैं हम लोग?
आलू की सब्जी, पराठा और
ले जाए डॉक्टर ले जाओ.
दोनों चटनी, ग्रीन चटनी, रेड चटनी.
Typical Gujarati family. And now we are heading back. It's time to go back to home. Yeah, so I was telling that अगर आप लोग आ रहे हो next time तो कार में आओ, फैमिली के साथ आओ. It is really fun. फैमिली के साथ आप आ सकते हो. It's a really enjoyable place. And it would be really nice कि आप लोग अपनी कार नीचे ही पार्क करके आ रहे हो क्योंकि आप देख सकते हो कि कार का टर्निंग प्रॉब्लम बहुत है तो थोड़ा आपको ज़्यादा चलना पड़ेगा. बट इट वुड बी रियली नाइस अगर आप कार अपनी नीचे ही पार्क करके आ रहे हो. सो इट इज़ ओवरऑल इट्स अ रियली नाइस ट्रिप. जस्ट इट्स अ लिटिल बिट tiring if you are not trekking person who doesn't trek at all and doesn't do walking and all. It must be a little tiring for you all. Otherwise it was great. We didn't got chance to sit at the waterfall and enjoy that beauty much because बहुत सारी मुझे तो लगा यार लॉकडाउन के बाद है तो कौन होगा, कोई नहीं होगा. I seriously thought that, but बहुत सारे जन थे, बहुत रश था यहाँ. So but yeah, monsoon season is the best to come over here. Also, this was my first travel vlog. I know, not so professional, not so much informative, but I hope you guys have enjoyed with me as much as I have enjoyed. And do let me know in the comment section how you guys find this video. And if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, अब तो मतलब सब खुलने ही लगा है almost. So I'm hoping that I do more of travel vlogs. And yeah, excited for what 2020 has left for us. I hope it's good and not bad. Yeah, Dharampur village has many other places to visit also. So you can come here and stay nearby and go to it. And also there is a place called Wilson Hill. We are not going there right now because we have been there before, and it's also a nice place. It's a hill station. You can also visit there, and it's 24 kilometers from Bilpuri, and it's a nice place. You can go and visit over there. So that was it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and do let me know in the comment section that you guys have enjoyed this vlog or not. And yeah, I'll see you next time in more such fun challenging vlogs and videos. Bye.